Welcome back to another one. Welcome back to another Balingani episode. Ngibonile King kulenye lesicede kuyihlephula King ukuthi ngathi bene engagement episode. Ngasibo fire mfana.
Hawu mningane, abantu bayakhala lapha. Bakhala bathi siyethelela.
No King, especially yesembabane lekukhuluma ngembabane bo Tikwembu. Ngibuta umduke ukuthi Tikwembu. King ngizele ukuthi bese okay because eMozambique emashangana athi Sikwembu uNkulunkulu. Shothi abantu abakhulu Tikwembu. Angisho mina ngichazisa abantu majidela rich yabona. So thina seswane ngegama Tikwembu yabo. So okay eMozambique Sikwembu uNkulunkulu. Yeah, it's in one basket with the greatness yabona. Tikwembanyana yabona laba bakhudlwanyana bakhona.
Because vele nathi unemali King bantu vele bakuthathisa ngathi uNkulunkulu. In fact unemali uNkulunkulu somehow.
Yeah, because King Good lo ngakhona ekwenda. Yonke iminyango levalekile yavuleka nilisho njalo livi. Lithi uvula lapho yeah ne. That's deep.
Uvula lapho uvale because kule mpilo lesiphilako King. I'm not saying it's wrong or right. Umuntu lonemali uNkulunkulu. Uyabona ngubekisela ngani King usene kumikisa imithandazo yakho kuye lekusikhalo awuphendvule Sikwembu King esene kuphendvula umthandazo wakho like yina unesikhalo sene kukwendela
ene lento King i-powerful ngani Sikwembu King sine kuphendvula nyalo lomkhuleko wakho
no phela King ngikhuluma nyalo King ukuthi umfana nyalo angena esikolweni nyalo eShoprite kungaphuma amabhasikidi nyalo uyabona like
Olambili ungasusa
nyalo King Sikwembu singashintsha impilo yakho nyalo that's what abantu abanemali phenze futhi King abantu abanemali nabafuna ukubhubhisa bangakubhubhisa nyalo phela like it's a fact so nangithi nje mina basikwembu obaba tikwenjana bonkulunkuluwana it's not a lie again it's not a lie sengimi nawe ngendlela sibona ngayo tinto la ukuthi bangaba uNkulunkulu kubo bonke labantu but kimi nawe awasiye uNkulunkulu
King no but nje
he has the power to create King
power yemali King ukuthi power yemali yinde ngiyayenda ibe possible yabona konke possible momphethe imali and konke possible nyalo
either the
good things or the bad things konke possible so
possible
when reading about it incwadi ezinkulu naso kuthiwa besena into nyalo yabona like miracle basibekende kanyalo hayi nyalo akusendeki nyalo but ngalesikhathi seBhayibheli King miracle bekende kanyalo bekusikwembu yabona konke bekende kanyalo bekavula umgodi nyalo King akuswala nyalo bekuvutha isihlahla King kwakho esihlahleni King the thing was great
Khulume nawe yes
basinyalo sesiselena moya King I don't think kunemandla njengesikwembu lesifunze ngaso King eBhayibhelini
moya engcweleneke angadi but bathi labana King uncoba konke but mina nangibuka loba kwendiwa uNkulunkulu na King le nasifunza eBhayibhelini ngibekise ukuthi King ngesikhathi yaphumula nje kangwane ngesikhathi kunesomiso kule area yabo 2000 and bantu bede kudla
in 2000 I was there dog ngikhumbula imvula 2000 I think 2005 2001 ngikhumbula le mvula yala 7 days eMozambique kwaze kwagcwala emanangizane kwagcwala
bozamcolo before I think before because mina King nasimukela Tangalane was sengifikile high school it was between maybe about 2001 2 3 4 5 lapho because sabe sesiyema uNkulunkulu King kulama era kadzeni lawa allegedly lendlela bamkhuluma ngawo beka wisimana abantu bakhe bebangalambi bekuwimana
then again you need to understand ukuthi bekubani bantu bakhe ngalesiya sishiye lapho King
yeah singangeni kakhulu King asikhulume nje ngalokuthi lokuthi sithi Tikwembu labantu laba hey manje ushiya kabi King ushiya ma staff man
yethu.
Yeah bantu bakhe bobani
Inabantu bakhe bekubantu bakhe ke lebekabhizi nabo King ngalesikhathi lesiya. Sikwembu King
abanetimana.
yebo. Badla
Ngabe thina
itimana
umlende ngamunye bekasendelani kuse like tintfo letiphathekako lebekasendela tona umlende ngamunye thina.
lama expectations ethu King I don't think beka high that much. Yangiva?
Kumlende ngamunye.
Yeah, lama expectations ethu kumlende ngamunye they were not that high nganyalo kuNkulunkulu or the God of the Bible. Kumlende ngamunye lama expectations King. Masivuka thina ekuseni King siva khala emanti emfuleni sinetinkomo tethu nathi lana kunani. That was enough for us. You understand? The only thing we would ask for thina King imvula. You understand? Imvula nani nekusi titshalo tethu King tikhule tinangizane tilwane netifo ukuthi tingakhona attack tinkomo tethu nani. That was it bro. Our life was so simple dog. Besinga nyalo King bantu bafuna hey lo nkulunkulu Bible King bantu bafuna tibe heavy. Angeke King khona kwamitha lamanisi lawo dog. You understand? But ngamunye dog was easy dog. Sifaka shiflo musha sidla inyama sebitana hey kuku chat group King. That was easy simple things. Besingafuna ukukhulu kulomjito ukuthi hey usifakele ilanga lomjito usifakele ini liyana it's fire bro. That was it. Besingafuna King ukuthi umvuse ekuseni bese sohamba tuke mandi. We're not on that bro.
Hey but beka heavy man umlende ngamunye because phela King thine I think angathi for 2,000-3,000 years ago kusibekwendekani but kule era King yabo 1,000 years ago 2,000 years ago umlende ngamunye King akazange azashiya endleleni thine kude la kashiya khona endleleni because thine King isidle ama crops labede ama pesticides uyabona
yeah
aphile ama crops bekaphile abantu King bangabulawa inang yini idomiso nanani. There was something powerful King umlende ngamunye bekasendela kona because umlende ngamunye njengoba usho ukuthi besicela kuyeta imvula nekuvuka nanani but thina King besisebentela siphila besistrive abafana
ngaphandle kwenkinga kunetifo King let exotic let bese tafika tas attack King after sebalethe lomjito lomunye you understand kunetifo exotic and man made yebo kunetifo exotic lebet man made lebe singatati thina ukuthi wow yini lesifo lesi you understand kuningi lokho udla King kwabe sekaguculwa sekwendiwa ichapisi udla sekujalo understand kanti thina King it was easy I can repeat it again to liswayi besilithatha up King besilisebenzisa liswayi ne beleni belidurile liswayi I think belidurine ligolide futhi or belile level leyo liswayi because King it was slaughtering the cow boiling that motherfucker lenye sayosa lenye senda inini the life was so simple bro silanza the crop King sayiganza shaya papa shaya inini shaya umhungu sibilisa inini saka utshwala ngalokunye lokuphuma ukho lapha it was an easy process that's why ngisi life be 1 2 3 it was not ukuthi sicele nani taxi say lo mjita lona lokhona nyalo King ufuna ubhadala tax and ku heavy bro it's heavy on us besingakwazi thina lokho thina besathi ngibita stop mangishaya ingomo buye babe ngihlaba ingomo lona umlende itazi ngona understand besidla sonke. Hey bro, I'm trying to preach.
That uthi mina ngiyafisa man King ukuthi ngabe ngingamthola umlende ngamunye kusengabe kwabe suyapi nasemcosha. There's something ngifuna kubuta ku. Kunatini ngifuna kubuta kumlende ngamunye King.
Hey next say never lenye politician King ithi umlende ngamunye demon elimatima kakhulu. Lenye politician
but still demon.
Yeah, wathi lo mlende ngamunye lidemoni leli angathi le demon linjani balibita ngamlende ngamunye ngathi hey say bro let me get out of it bro chama kuligama hey I think maybe kufuna seni research yethu King mangabe sidama maybe sibita lenye into ngamlende but mina ngikhule ngathi sibe besimbita kanjalo lo ngetulo lo ngemandla wonke
kulo but mina King
uNkulunkulu ukungcono
angathi man ngikuthi man King mina uyabona sesengilokufa King ngifuna kuya man lena kula kunamlende ngamunye khona le ngifuna ku because ngisho King ukuthi le tinfo la ngangitshela tona umlende ngamunye tingangilimata engqondweni ngiyakutshela King angangitshela enye into heavy tingangilimata engqondweni so ngifuna nase ngikhulisa abantu abami sengilokufa bese bese ngiyaya King le nyalo nezingilunga nyalo
Naye mayebe kanjalo King uCoza ukuthi lo mjito uSamuel khona inzawo la kuyo lahleli khona la gatsa ehleli. Hey,
Bamcosha phela.
inyawo le
Bamcosha King. Bamcosha
bese uhleli Samuel nyalo
sengathi
inyawo lakhe libe and stuff.
uhleli uyabukela King. Uhleli King ubhema something sho ukuthi kukhona into la ibhemako lebo uyabukela ukuthi bubu. Labantu laba bebaphila kahle kusenami.
Hey King excellent.
Bangicosha nje
Oh, ngalendlela uyichaza ngayo King uchaza ukuthi lo mjida bekumjida vele beka wethu vele. It was just our guy ukuthi it's for the blacks. It's not for anyone. Like everybody anewakhe King. Labanye banabanibani, labanye banabanibani. Because we are the only ones King nyalo lesisithi uNkulunkulu. Yathi King moya kulonke live King bo Europe kuphi bana uNkulunkulu wabo ngibanibani. Bayamati King njengabo. Mangabe kuse China unjengabo naye uso. Like every place you go dog kunaNkulunkulu wakhona. Africa is the only continent lengicabanga ukuthi adopt uNkulunkulu ongasiwayo. And lo shit futhi uthi wabobani. Kune evidence futhi uthi wabobani.
it's and King and King bamthanza kakhulu kunalo mnikati wabo lo nkulunkulu yabona like which is I mean it's okay it's all kunathi invest nake siticondze King but nje mina nginaso lesifiso King and I'm pretty sure yabo ngidaze
Ngena
kukhona mina King kukhona lo mnye umjida King kukhona lo mnye umjida mina lengingakhuluma naye King
ngulalela.
yeah khona lo mnye umjida King lo wake wakhuluma nami something he said something dinto lelinye takhona bokhona bongekhona King and then wathi egcineni sengiyahlehla ndodzana sengihlehlela ngaselwandle uma kuyoba netinkinga lethi toba khona ngicela ubongibita ungiphakamise I don't know do you remember the episode leyo King
Yathi ngiyazama King ungichazele nzanga yethu man. Kunini lapho King 2020?
it's recently King
Recently?
bekuvuka edlodi King
ibaleni kaHlophe.
yes bekuvuka edlodi King I'm sure ukuthi nakangabuya lo mjida loyo King angathi uyobuya njani nakangabuya lo mjida loyo King nangambuta letinto
Yeah.
dinenge tinto leti heavy I think ikutafuna ngimbite ato ngichazele because there were secrets lengathi thola ekukhulumeni kwami naye
Yeah, dinenge with heavy King. Bese into mina ngi-advisor especially ngala information la sone ukuthi when they research uku-understand. You understand? Ukhona ukuhlunga and ukhona ukubona ne-bullshit. You understand? Kuko ukuthi hayi lokho hayi. Lokho hayi. You understand? Ukhona kuyiweya lento ungakhulumi nje blindly. Ngento you understand lo ungakhona kuyingena grand ukuthi kwentekani kahle la. Because King bese kuba information leyo ngibona
that's why I'm King
or maybe say kwenta ungasakhona you understand.
That's why mina ngifuna angifuni lokukhuluma naleti ingceku netingelo nekuthiwa yini nema prophet nanani ngifuna le source to close nasengathi nje ukuthi maybe sengiselene iminyaka sengilokufa ngifuna le source King itongitshela tinto sengidasemna ngiyabona sengidihluka kanjani sengibuya ngitshela abantu ukuthi kuseme then ngamunye uthide what because the confusion lekhona inengi but asiphume lapho King lebe ngikhona ukuthi besichaza squembu ukuthi squembu squembu imali empilweni lesasiphila kulethi insuku namuhla ikunika onke amagunya longawacabanga
King inika onke amagunya ibanga lethi game access game hey King ngicheckele enye episode King inye podcast lomnye mjida lomnye olady wase angathi I think it's Gauteng should my King ubona lomnye Thokoza shothi ku YouTube yabona lo Thokoza hello sesivele ngiyabona likusasa ukuthi
ngicela ukutshela namuhla King Fan Square kude Thokoza lo ntombona ku YouTube
lo nguye.
Nguye.
King
Ngizothi ngiva kwe-echo man, ngiva kwe-echo.
uva ku-echo?
Yo,
Nyalo nje mangikhuluma uva i-echo?
no nakukhuluma mina ngiva i-echo.
Oh, bangisho okofaka ama-earphone.
No, okay.
Why kube ne-echo? Usethe kahle lapho? Mina konke kuset.
Yeah,
Mina
ngisethe kahle.
kuyafuna sithole i-program etokhona kuyibamba grande voice. Oh, khuluma liphuzu lakho King ngingacedzeli ngifuna ukutshela ngayo ukuthokoza ukuthi King ngivise ebuhlungu phela indzaba mangiyibuka.
Bengithi mina King Mlingane ngifuna ukukutshela fans kwena wonke umuntu olalelayo ukuthi kude thokoza lophilako lotombona ka YouTube.
Longumakiya.
Longumakiya King nangabe umuntu afuna bothokoza Mbamba King akete kimi ngamikisa mina kubothokoza Mbamba. But labo thokoza labo King aneke bathole ku YouTube.
Yeah. Because la YouTube King kuba ngazuthi uyi-advertise. But what if King ubitwe nguSling King for an interview wafuna kumthola information letsite kulothokoza. It's not like advertise. It's not like une YouTube channel lothokoza vele uhlala ashaya ama video YouTube nanani. Ubitiwe nje interview maybe cause FM or gwala FM. Say ifika thokoza sifuna ukubutela omnye imibuto lana mani. Ngikuhamba njani ngebantwana abanyamalako niyayisebenzisa yini imithi nini ebantwana? Hey nine yini lokhu understand? Uthini ngalabo?
Ngeke ngifuna ukukutshela ngibe clear mfowethu. Uyabona kuba info lengahamba ngayidiscover ngabothokoza. Nami ngihamba ngihlupheka kwami. Bothokoza Mbamba King. Kuphela kwabantu labakholwako, abantu labapure. Kunetinfo letendiwa abantu labanengi bothokoza labangatendi.
Yeah. Kudla lokudliwa abantu abanengi bothokoza labangakudli.
Labangakwendi King. Neke nje neke ungitshela ukuthi uhook up nethokoza like benchata online uhook up nethokoza save flow yakho. Bothokoza nabagana khona basoma.
Kuyenteka lamalanga King bothokoza abanyalo bajola King bothokoza abanyalo King banenjwa basephehlweni. Unenjwa njani usephehlweni? Le mithi esephehlweni King ayihlangani nekunemba nanani. Kahle usukuzilile ke komthetho. Mayokwenda lento leya. Lalela mara man King hey takunisa mfana. Ningi manje sikwati.
No, but people need to know King ukuthi ithokoza kuphela kwemuntu lo pure. Kuphela kwemuntu lo kunetinfo latizilako uthokoza kunetinfo langatendi. Kunetinfo langa involve kuyito thokoza uyabona. Angwathi maybe madlotanyalo King sanang sama 2000 or whatever. Ngenteka kube selidlodise liyahamba liyokhuluma grade uyabona neke sathi. But as far as I'm concerned I mean Bathubeka King
ngagcwathathulo makasephehlweni anyalo King isekane ma cellphone aku Facebook aposta usephehlweni umuntu King usela because into njengoba ngichazela ukuthi usuke usepolish lapha ufuzile lamajita mawulapha kunelamajita lanawe King langafuni tonke letinto leto you understand tonke izinto letakafuni King because anawe nyalo King enayakudelisa for this period of time if it's 6 months if it's a year you understand so kunetinto kufuneka uyekele completely ungathi thizile nakancane you understand jumping on that King thing abone advert lapha akusi advert yeah because vele i-advert because King mangutshela ukuthi ifika kimi mina ngakulapha hey ithi le advert King ugadla 15 yabona unginika 15 mina ngingithokoza yabona mina ngingithokoza lo 15 wakho khona ngikwendise khona bese ngikumixa khona utophuma nemamitha Ngeke ukuthi King ngibukele bese ngisathi yabona because lokho nje mekungitshela ukuthi okay kwendekeni ngoba bese kwendekani kungako ala kule podcast you understand ngichazile wona King mangibukela le sicebu ngichaza ukuthi lamajita King ekse bathi bona ufika la kithi sitafike thina uphathe 15 sitakuthatha thina sikwendise tinye tinto sekumix kumwe utophuma nemali akusiyimali ekuthwala akusiyimali yani already nivamile nini not inkinga umuntu omdala king thathe 15 wakhe king agadle ebhasini KZN fike KZN king ahlakana likhehla limthatha likhehla ngena entombeni king kushaya phasi endiwe lokufuna kwendiwe king kwendiwe lokufuna kwendiwe kuthiwa sabe semakhehleni manje songena emgidini kanjiwe king yongenela lenzabeni shobe uthi kungenwa ikhathi ensabeni king shobele phasi kunemhome nangephasi shothi you understand we-Vietnam what yabona siyahanjwa la ngikhathi phasi kwalenzaba king netindlela bafika lapha king kunelitshe lapha kufike kuphahlwe kulayidwa umlilo kuphahlwe kwendiwe yonke lento akhulume umuntu omdala asimakhuluma lo mdala liphendule lelitshe lapha ngicela kubona khona ukuthi yabona happening to her things were happening to her knowledge because she was naive she believed she was gonna get the money bro she wanted to be rich and feed the family king ngikhuluma litshe lapha lithe mfanami siyabona mani lana kutawumele ukuthi uthole inkomo inkomo 20,000 king kulo 15k phela la uphethe king uphethe namabhodlela bo short mabhodlela dura king shots adla bo red bo twati bo Johnny Walker whatever ngathi adlani abantu abadala bekaziya makachaza lo mdzala chaza ukuthi king amabhodlela green ucabanga ukuthi imali leyo king lespendiwe ujabulise labantu abadala lapha bathi abantu abadala king bafuna inkomo king you understand kufuneka inkomo 20 yabona kuchuke lo sister athi lapha mawukhuluma lapha YouTube uthi wena 15 grand athi abantu abadala ngakhuluma aze bakwata ubona ngathi king bayakwata aze bakwata ubona hey funywe king inza ukuthi hayi lungisa wena maybe iviko something 20 you understand what 20 wathi nesta nawe inclick is nawe yabona king isitaba nawe sinawe sisonke king abuyele eGauteng yabona abuyele eGauteng king hayi lento yangiphazamisa lesi into ayibona kusasa abuyele eGauteng king ahlanganise 20 sekufuna dayise something endlini yabona kufuna dayise something king dayise something king ngomtshelile seliphumile live king ukuthi kuphuma malini angakutsheli lo 15 king sekuphuma 6 million lo 6 million king imali ayisherisha yena ukhipha 500,000 anikete gobela king into omniketa 500,000 5 million lo 5.5 million umbuto wami oruthi umbuto king kulapho
mina engakhulu king nekuzoyicethe but ubutalo wabo
angichubeke king into bese uyayivala igcinene hey abuyele so phethe 20 king udayisile lapha abuyele king KZN imphatha grant king kulele hotel kuhle kushap angene ngayenza ijoke
emlingani uyobona lukhukhuva kulele hotel
awusho ngiyakuchazela mina king uyalalela ngimi order king uyalalela king abuyele king sikuthiwe kuthiweni kopana lo 20k hayi lo 20k kude le aphathe lo 20k king kuyiwe lapha ngathi kufuna awufake ebhodweni lo 20,000 lela past galazi yawubona galazi lelesintu
ngiyambona galazi
awufake khona king shone past king past kwenzaba fike lapha ibeke embi kwalelitshe uthi kunelitshe nje lapha ngembili king lapha kuba nelitshe lapha ahla khona lo mdzala kwathi umlilo babeke khona king lo galazi basi abantu abadzala salungisa vanini isimele eceleni uthi lo make uyasuka silaphasi kwalomhlabathi king la khona kunemgetse khona ne siyasuka maybe kulenzawo le king siye lenye passage kunalelinye phinze ngasuku rumanyana yabona ngasibamela khona abantu mabasa silungisela lo 6 million you understand khona ke bamele badala ukuthi bakhiphe imali esimele imali yabona. Abuye lo mdzala aphindze shobe abuyele king. Ngoba babuyele sebabuyela nyalo king alisekho libhodo.
Seliyephi.
Hayi, bamile ba-powerful. You gotta respect them. Are-powerful. Linyamalele libhodo king, which means bakhulule ukulithatha libhodo king banyamalala nalo. Nalapho king ngifaka inangizana. Mangi-detective king, lapho ngifaka iphini le-part leyo.
Faka iphini
It's a question you gotta have. It is fair. It is only fair to have that question. Lihanyamalele njani libhodo? Fine. Linyamalele libhodo king, bagcina sebajabulile. Abantu abadala sebajabulile king. Athi kuphi lokuncane lana ngibona phela into entendeka. Abantu abadala, yabona sakulungisela imali yakho. Safuna siyilanze la siyilanza khona yabona. Uma wena ungasinika nje 3 days. 3 days. Sitakuhlanganisela. Uyabona? Itawubuya ikhona imali yakho lana ungasabi usowende konke nyalo konke kuhamba kahle. 3 days. Yonke into eba phashashi. Phashashi. Hayi phashashi. Lo mdzala king uthi ngicabanga nje vele 5 point something million hayi imali vele. Hayi into tawuhlangana lana yavuka king. Yavuka. Aphuma lo mdzala king. Back to Gauteng. Sekufuna samalini 35. Udzingeke lenye ngathi wafona aphindze gobela king. Angathi ukuthi kudzingeke. Angathi lo sekudzingeka imali yani manje. Mana king beyisiyeka le mali ngeke because into bethi ngiyatendeke lethi.
Ingaphumi le mali lenye.
Like ngeke beve labantu abadzala king. Abeva. Yabona. Athi gobela buya uyabona but ngathi kwafuneka imali lenye king sengikhohle ukuthi imali because imali egcina ibhadela lo mdzala king lapha washiya 55,000 king. Lalela wasayikhiphile 55,000 yonke king bathi abantu abadzala bona in 7 days inini. So alihasha likhedla king sejoza lesambamba ifone king. Yebo. Hey ngibhizi ngamhlabela ingane. Hey ngiwasha sidumbu kuphi kuphi. Ngowasha sidumbu ndoda sina 6 million ekufuna siwulanze. King kwamshaya kwamvala king. Shaya kwamvala dog. Ubeyakhuluma lapha le podcast king ukuthi wadayisa nendlu ukuthi kuse bro like bro like bengizama ukukhombisa king lena ngizala ukuthi lento ayikho emasontweni kuphela nyalo ukuthi bobushiri nangale king lethi genge yashaya and king bantu bafuna king 15,000 for 6 million. Why lo mjita ngatendeli yena? Why lo mjita yena king afuna kubhadalwa?
Mina ngingana sengilophawula bafana ngivabhlungu kule info longishela yona for many reasons. Wekucala one of my favorite verses eBhayibhelini uthi uNkulunkulu my people perish for lack of knowledge. My people perish for lack of knowledge. Bantu bami babhujiswa kungadi. Kungadi bantu babhujiswa kungadi king. Kungadi nawukholwa nawuthi uyakholwa yabona nawuthi uyakholwa ukholwa lo nkulunkulu kaIsrayeli. Kufuna ulati lelivi lakhe kuze ungatobhayi utobona sobhayiziseka ukuthi hayi lona manje sebangibhayiziseka within the context of lenkholo yena uyabona. Ufuna wadi ukuthi yini la khona kuyenda uNkulunkulu yini la khona kuyenda yini ama limitations zakhe yini la evaluishako ngibekise usina uthandaza uNkulunkulu king ufuna iBMW X5 yini eBhayibhelini ivalue lathi uNkulunkulu unayo neX5 kude abangenelani king ebebeyangenelana king ngabe wabakhele waye bahambe bo Eliya ngetingalishi ngetincwadi nje waye bangahambi ngeX5 phela beNkulunkulu anevalue neX5 bebahambelani ngetingalishi nemahashi king ngoba phela king nesikhwanga uNkulunkulu upowerful wakho umhlaba wakhe yonke into bengavele akhe nje linyanya akhe nemigwaco waye ngadakhanga that's that side B kuleli side lesintfu king nangabe uthi wena utawuhamba bola boheceba besintfu kufuna wadi ukuthi bahamba njani lokubekisela king kufuna nekuyobhula thola indvu kunashelene kufuna ukwadi king ukuthi na uyophengula uhamba njani uyophengula into yendako uyakubani wende njani nakathi lo muntu uvumani bo uthini yabona like nakathi nakabakhuluma into longayiva kahle le hazako nakathi vumani bo
and King
uthini
ukubamba lwimi in most cases King maya kulabantu labo labadzala uvamise kuhamba ne-referral awuvamise ukuthi isukela wena
uhamba
kuye nemuntu loseke waya kuye wathola lelisito
loye kuye King wathwala lesito A B awufike ubatshele story sakho sonke kufuna yena akutshele story sakhe C King uma ngithi mina ngifuna ukukusida wena uyabona
yebo
angisathi nyalo kwenda kanjani but kathi nangoba lathi abakhuluma uhamba 3 walabanye abantu
oya basho
uyobuta ukuthi lento lengithi mina ngidakwendela yona ingiyo yini uyabona
yebo
mina lengakusho njengalo olilo ngivela buhlungu ukuthi walahlekelwa imali olahlekelwa nelekusasa labantu abakhe but umuntu omdala should know better King umuntu lomdala should know better than mina angendi into lengento wamfana lo uma ke lo sengibuka nje mina ngengcondo yami ebothatha le nto lathengisa wathenga kwesimotwana wacela umtukulu wakhe washayela ngibani Bolt noma Uber
before everything King waqeda isimoto yakhe ukuthi lo 15k nje lo ngikhuluma ngayo uphuma tuke imali yemoto yakhe
wayangeni into transport King Bolt no Uber toba nemali yabona but ngivela buhlungu lolo kwamehlela
sifuna le mali nyalo like ngidinga nyalo le mali not understanding the law of money King ukuthi you gotta sell something or you gotta for imali ukuthi ide ukuthi imali King lophuma get ukuthi 6 million King lophuma getseni athi ngifuna million yena uthi lo 6 million lo muntu losento okwendela le mali uthi le mali leyo and kufuna wena
akayifuni yena
that's the thing lo mgidi lahamba naye laceleni King lo salesman wakhe akana lutho but wayangindeli yena kuqala usibonisa ukuthi kunemali ephumako la
bekufuna ibude
lapha maybe dinemuntu lobhacile okhulumako lapha bantu bami
kunemuntu King lobhacile
sho selibhodo King dimashobeka cif cofa lelibhodo emajida aphuma ngale
kunebantu abathathele i-con King kunebantu afike bathatha le bhodo nabathi njena kaphume lapha bebendela ukuthi batothatha le nang kufikela abantu bathatha le bhodo scam King is a lot of people working that scam
create the mystery lokuyena kwale bhodo creates the mystery in your mind
banganya bhodo nam
singekho singene sobabili mwana muntu banyamana nalibhodo sesayala nje ukuthi it's not in the churches anymore khona nangale kuboheceba King
nangale kuboheceba it's been kuboheceba King longer than in the churches
yeah it's been
ayafika lamasonto la scam ngifuna ukuthi mina King yabona sengidobanika imfihlo abantu bamnyama King nyalo angathi noma batangilalela yena mlingani imali seyibe imali currency net current form angiva mlingani
isibe lebhlungu ukuthi abantu labamnyama bavamise esikhatsini esiningi lomnyama
sengindela labo labang 2-3 King labatawuva imali King in its current form ngoba phela thina lately besingasebenzisa imali thina ama-Africans until kufike belungu bese nise i-barter trade yabona yes kule era leya before kufike belungu kwakha imali noma umnotho ezomuntu omnyama bekufuna usebenza umhlaba ulime kukhule tinfo lodidla ufuye tinkomo ube nebantwana khona abantu okulobolela utokhona kwakha umnotho that's how we made umnotho before ngiyento engifuna ukubuza kumlende ngamunye leti kusemlende ngamunye bekwenteka yini ngale sikhathi leta sengabe khona thina umuntu athi nje na ungaletha inkomo yinye uthuwe tinkomo kwendena ungena samwe ngento ekuvela umhlambi long 600 wetinkomo ku ufuna kwathi King some of the
bro like come on
bekwenteka yini ukuthi letha 2 wetinkomo kutavela uyabo kusatavela umhlambi wa 35
uthi bese mina unginika 10 wetinkomo lo 500 wetinkomo because indaba ngikwendele le
lotovela
wena lento ubinze 2 ube umndeni wakho wonke uwendele tinkomo umndeni wakho wonke. Why ufuna ungibhadalisa 10 tinkomo u500 ngale lento ungayenda wena? Why ungavele uyenda ube nayo?
Yes. So ngikho ngifuna ukukubuta King, ngabuya nginitshela le info ngidayithola. That is number 1 King. Number 2, after kufike belungu King.
Yeah.
Indlela mlingane yekwakha umnotho noma imali after kufike belungu. Bekungile episode ikhona ukuthi ufuya tinkomo uchubeke ulime amabele, right? That was the old ways to make money. But nyalo sekunendlela ukuthi usuyakhona kuhamba uyosebenza kamlungu.
Yeah.
Akholele imali ubuye ekhaya, right? So wakho umnotho kanjalo angathi noma ngilahlekile King yini.
Umnotho dog. That's the way King imali ifika ngayo. Samachaza ukuthi that's how money comes.
Yes.
Imali King le
uyayisebenzela.
Yebo, kuthi imali evela from thin air. Yonke imali King there's something you gotta value. Mangabe provide value kufika imali King, which means you can sell something, a salesman kuphuma imali, which means you work for something kuphuma imali. There's something you have to provide ukuthi kufika imali. Kude imali King le vela.
Yes.
Nani understand?
Yakhumbula bese ke King
sikhuluma sembabane siyala bomazwe ngabomashiliyama bomashiloma, something like that.
Yes, mashilam
lento kwavela after ku6 lomjida bekashaya beka 26 bekashaya King kude lento lenjengaleyo izange seyibe khona bekabanokha nje
ayikho King ayikho. And then sengcina
publicly, which means kufuna like yabona le idea ikhiphe nyalo mawubukele the idea ukuthi donjika fast ikhiphe dog like
ayikho King ayikho. So ngakutshela King indlela yesi3 yekwakha imali le yesi4 nyalo King kunanaba bo JSE ukuthi uyakhona ngena ku JSE uthenge ama shares or ungene ebhange uinvest i-cash deposit bathi ibitaba ne-interest. Ngilenye indlela le yatiwako yekwakha imali.
But now King it's not overnight. It's not
overnight.
Yeah, because
it's not. Ngakusita King ngala overnight indlela tikhona. Usasa mabra akho nithatha tibhamu nebamnike kwendi highest.
Oh yeah.
Then uba nemali overnight lapho yabo uyekwendi highest. Utoba nemali overnight or iwebe something loto ithengisa.
There are 2 things involved. You might go and come back, you might never come back.
Yes. But if you come back utoba nemali overnight, fine utawuboshwa, fine impilo yakho itawuphetha, but nje utoba nemali overnight. Those are the only ways. Kude lenye indlela King lekhona yekwakha imali. Ngaphandle kwaleti indlela lethu lengitibalile. You have to provide labor. I-labor King is what creates imali ne-wealth. Umsebenzi tithukuthuku.
Yeah. Ngibe discouraged ngasho ngathi hey bana abamnyama solomana siyiboni lento King ukuthi like there's nothing like that King. Everyone is hungry here. And abantu King King batakhancela King. Abantu batakushaya batakunokha.
Anu ufuna bo Miracle Money, ufuna bo ufuna bo wani. Ayikho lento leyo.
Miracle Money shit was crazy, bro, because ngikhumbula makakhuluma kufundzile TV King, and then you say I receive, uyasho ukuthi I receive wase ngenele imali yabona kulomnye umvulo ngumatini King yangena le mali King babelieve ukuthi Miracle Money. I think yangena le mali for 3-4 months or 5 months. Ingena le mali King. Without question King makuphela inyanga yangena le mali. Without question makuphela imali. Babelieve ukuthi Miracle Money King. And ngikhona ngilapha ke skeptical yangathi ke King makuchamika uNkulunkulu labanye
abantu. Wena ngiyakwazi.
Ngasho ngithi ngeke man ngifuna i-proof le because mina King ngifuna i-proof. Yabona? Ngifuna i-proof mina. King ivele inzaba ukuthi hayi le mali imali lo muntu usho sikhona ivula i-register King kwendeka so ngile mali yaloko iyangena.
It's not Miracle Money.
Ngabonga King babuyisele basenda imali ukuthi bayanikela vele i-possible I looked like a fool, you know. I looked dumb, bro, like let's say lendiyendeka vele vele Sling mfana why ungakholwa mfana khetha Jesu mfana kuyentendeka kuba no-sensitive kuphuma imali. I was right. And I hate to be right. That's another thing. I hate to be right, King. I really yabona in that situation, King, I wanted to be wrong. I want bengidzinga King kuba wrong ukuthi I say no, Sling mfana uhlulekile. uNkulunkulu ukuhlulile dog. Okay, bone man nayi. Miracle money sandazile iyatendekela nje. Ivele ingene ebhange asiyathi iqhamuka kanjani, which means maybe before kathi ngilozi bayideposit ku-deposit account nakho tung ingene. And mina ngiNkulunkulu King ngingahlani kakhulu miracle money yathi ngayina njani. Ngakunika imali mina King taxi life yakho yonke once. Boom. Ngeke ngikunike monthly. Ngavele ngikushaye nje ngemiracle money once ngithi kuse ngikushaye
manje ukuthi
ya unetinkinga etiningi kakhulu Sling. Ufuna ukusolve le life yakho bufuture baphizi babe netinkinga
for life.
Cina la ntwana. Uphume kuwe. Hayi uzohlala ungikhalela wonke amalanga uyakhala. Nibaningi niyakhala. You understand then? And if uNkulunkulu King, that's why ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba bambeka inkinga ayibaningi. Otherwise ikhambani ngakuwe King.
Yes, singene deep King, but asisithi King balalo
King kubekusele nge-audience yami nawe nyalo. Audience yami nawe nyalo mostly 90% ma-Christ audience yami nawo maswati King ngiyakholwa yabona masikhuluma sothi nesimademoni nanani nje ngiyathemba ukuthi but us understand over time ukuthi mina ngifuna bangende ngikholwe. You understand?
Yeah, mina King ngifuna nabangibethela esiphambanweni bathi ukuthi mina ngilifunze kakhulu iBhayibheli, ngilifunza with understanding. That's why mina ngiyadata itinto letifunwa nguNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli ukuthi ufunani, uyabona? Yini la ngayenda yini into lati prioritizako, uyabona? Netinto la nganenzaba nato wena lo ungacabanga ukuthi kuligugu kuwe lo nkulunkulu lo yakanenzaba nato itinto leto.
Yeah, akumphase
King, akumphase King, uyabona? Akumphase. So mina le nkulunkulu lengithi iclear nayo ukuthi nginanga lo bekasita nanga ukuthi ngiyila ifuna ngikule ngifuna ukuthi ngifuna kuconfirm nayo ngidawubuya la kini ndontshela kwendekani. But nje ekuse ibe siyaphuma King documentary ya Besta naNandipha uboneni lapha ekusaya.
Angicheckile King. Yakena ukuthi ngibe disappointed yakena to start with. It's like the only new information I heard the documentary ya King. Ngile Pearl, that was my new information. Ngipheli na le out the khuluma Tanzania le bathethe enang hotel to wayoboshwa khona. That's the only. Otherwise the other information yakela ukuthi it's information you know. I knew that information.
It's common information.
It's basic information. I thought King don't get deep uyabona ukuthi kwendekani after yabona Besta uphuma njani lapha ngibala dile naye bubani network yakhe because nomchita King uyasho ukuthi ukhona indlela phume ngayo bubani lapha kodwa malini wathindo. I thought we were gonna go deeper bro. Tiwe singadade or tindo leti, but I think maybe babuka ukuthi sesecaleni maybe sese court lenzaba kungabe bangakhiphi because maybe I don't know. Let's hope ukuthi if kuyokhuluma boBesta naNandipha that day King maybe sebagugile I don't know. Nasi sesibadzala King sebasejele King sebavumile ukuthi bayidlale live ejele sebasichazela ukuthi kwendeka so because yabona kule documentary King ukuthi emaCherry King labanye abantu ekuse Nandipha King icareer yakhe beyiblosoma unemamitha na imistry yami bela King. That's where my question is le documentary King. The psychology of Dr. Nandipha King. What was she gonna gain with dating that guy? Mchita King asejele beka nani beka nemali beka yakhangande mali asejele lele attract Nandipha if kuyimali attract Nandipha or lelikamo because kwanyalo ngibona shothi maybe mchita nelikamo King ngikhona lishashana Nandipha King because King sokune power if ngilotshela wena ke ungephandle ngithi hamba emoshari leso or ihambe emoshari uyofuna isithumbu lesingangami ngebuze in ubashayo utafika ubashaya likamo lika so bakunika isithumbu usithathe lesithumbu utosinika speaker utosithathe lesithumbu asifake la khathi prison lo cherry loyo king yini kumele ngibe blind ngayo kumshashaya ende lokho. Ngiphe power lenginayo kumcontroller lithando vele or lo mjida 26 or lo mjida bebhekana imali king bekana ema-meter because king lo mjida beka-hosta ema-meeting again lama-meeting le beka-hosta asekhathejele Bester bekawa-hosta aphushwa nguNandipha angephandle because bekumaselebhu bekuyinini bantu labatiwa nguNandipha. nguNandipha lodayisa leli phepha kulamajida ukuthi sekune-conference enjanjani kufakwa imali ngale building ngokuthi bekufuna bakha tindlu for bantu le plan besho njalo bakha tindlu for bantu inini bafaka imali bese that's why laba bashaya ama-meter kuningi lokwendeka lapho. My question is lo mjida king bekanemali asejele or lo mjida king unelikamo nje the out is-soft ngemagama like a chick who come to kiss me or lo cherry or le out inemali sekusele mjida bekanemali because king kubhadala lama security e4GS banibani lawo abhadalwe ngubani nguNandipha lokhiphele imali ukuthi kubhadaleke lamajida or best king unemali bekatenda asendele. That's the thing I thought minister yalapho kule story ukuthi best imali bekayakha kaso. I thought mina documentary yalapho kanti konke lokhu king uphuma indzabeni that's why bebafaka bo Soul ubonile bafaka bo Soul na MacG.
Yebo MacG
the only new thing kimi lebe yisha the king phela bengathi nephela wahlangana na
phela
you know bro did you know when a king kuthi phela okwahlangana le out like it's new
no
bro. Or maybe asilanzelanga wakwasho or naye bekasaba
maybe angadi
namahloni ukuthi hey bathi ngahlangana lo mjida I don't know or maybe close friends knew but ngimangele ngibona phela king athi umfonela lo mjida Thando wangathi bekana how many years Thando by then ngibona phela asibeka mncane so
this was about 2011 2012 futhi it's early
hey ekse hey
it's early but mina
king ngaba angathi ngibekane lana kungitshela ukuthi ngasise ngide space in problem saving local backup of audio. Let's hope ukuthi le audio tohlala kuwe makuvela kuwe kuvela konke ne mawubukela wena kuvela i-audio yami kuvela i-audio yakho
yeah
boyisave oyi-2
yeah avela ngilokhona nikuseva kong2 sitawubona sichubeke
king masicitha kurecord bese siwathatha oyi-2 because ngathi kungitshela ukuthi ngidaba bede space angathi who was talking where was I
besikhuluma king ukuthi good information lensha lebekhona ngathi Thando umfana phela
Thando umfana phela king lona 18 years nyalo beka
umfana 18
phela umfana 18 it was 2010 or 2011
kanuni ngakho eminyaka phela king
phela tingungangami
ibophela king bane eternal youth ekse
bophela king bane eternal youth bophela bangangathi king bophela phela makamdzala kunathi king ngidala ngamnyaka munye
good yabona muhle phela ekse in another life ngifuna ukuphawula mina mlingana
okay yeah Paul
many things kwecala lokungithusile mina king ukuthi Bester waba convicted wa confessor and was convicted of kubulala bantu labasikati labanengi about 7 ngathi kuba baningi labadlwengula baningi laba bamenkunzi but ngi7 lebamconvicted abona nangingacambe manga but info lengithusile info lengithusile mina mlingani ukuthi Bester bekanethlule letinengi letimafati letiya kuyombona
yebo king
ngiyomfusela amongst lehlule takhe leto nginandipha
that's another mystery bro bekunethlule letiningi betiyomvusela tshele how
wethu ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe mdavu dingakhe ihlule takhe
yeah because kunebantu abane fetish nje angisho sema fetish uthi nje
fetish
bane serial killer namdavu ngisho king ukuthi line yakhumbula mdavu king sisamfonela back then
bekafoneleka mdavu
yo mina ngile ngamhasha mdavu king
wathi yini mdavu
wangithuka blind wangitshela ngibafundisi ngathi angisimi bafundisi mina ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe nje hayi suka ngiyakhumbula ngasi bengimi nasimanga masinga angathi nabantu besi3 sesikolweni silethule ngase toilet ema toilet le le matshe wabona amatshe langasema-toilet egrawundini letulo ngamfonela Mdavu thina ngiyakhumbula mina I was super blind. He was approachable. There was a toll free.
Hayi wena.
Yeah.
Hayi mina ebuka-ke King khona i-out lengake besihlala nayo le kaMartin le out le beyifunda esikolweni hayi eklasini naMdavu.
Yeah.
David Simelane ithi beyifunza esikolweni sinye na David Simelane le out layer.
Hayi wena.
Ithi nakafika David kulesikole wafika ka form 1.
Yeah.
Nakangena King yabo the first day of school. Nakafika the first day of school David Simelane.
Yeah.
Waya kulamanye amagenge wathi kusele ngibani libhoza la esikolweni.
I got
Allegedly.
Story King. As got story King uri
Let's know is here saying ngasive estradini so starts a King with a bag of salt.
Sounded like a legend.
Hey legend but why King leli bhoza Mdavu wadila nalo first day of school yabo endela ukuthi batokwathi ukuthi sekunayo allegedly ngifuna kwendlula lapho King but story lengasiva ngaMdavu but ngisho mina ke mlingani ukuthi
correct yeah
dinenge ihlelo Mdavu
to correct here David Simelane is serial killer siswatini yabulela abafathi aba more than 60 just to clear that thing up emvini ngama David
yes and
le 60 more than
60 no convictwa say allegedly usejele sathi ngifuna kwendlula lapho King so ngilefethusaka ukuthi abantu basikade why bathanze ingodi kangaka labanye hayi bonke labanye banayi sense and Nandipha was one of them quest 2 lengifuna kusho mlingani ngiyibona ngibuka le mfana of best ngithi yabona le ntwana le King ebeyathatha le ngcondo yayo lenayo
exactly
yenda something le productive mhlambe ngayina lenye ngapanele listo lapha ku JSE lenkhulu or ngawena itinfete enkulu that's number 2 number 3 yabona now unengqondo le fast wena mlingani
later
uboshiwe phela bonke labo clever lobacabanga ukuthi bo clever mlingani baphethela lapha etilongo esine kusetilongweni
in the thing yeah
they end up in the thing King
yeah
bonke they end up in the thing lapha is like a university King yelikamo ungafika ufunde ilikamo lelimativa and if ungumjida lo because best King umjida lo samkharashanyana usmoothnyana ngemagama once wathola lelikamo lalithola lapha kulamagenge lapha msho ukuthi uthole pha kunabo clever lababoshwa ukuthi bo clever ngoba nazo bo clever but wathi ucabanga ukusigebe kuyagcina King because ekugcineni uyathi stop it lapha
yeah
wathatha lelikamo lelo King and perfected it wakha yonke le mali la yakha ngalelikamo lakha and once waba nemali King sitho ukuthi umlone imali uNkulunkuluwana type angacontrola noma ngayini
excel lo mfumile King ombe ohlala Hyde Park you understand chithe behamba ngama BM Mercedes there are words lawa atharishako kunondipha King le documentary la mthethisa khona uthi imali yakhe le ndatonga letinto leti utophuma lapha endlini yakho mo behavior so I've got eyes on you ngiyathi ukuthi uphi ngiyathi ugqokeni ngiyathi kunebantu abahlala bakubukile which means there are people King laba payroll yamjita which means mjita King bekane imali which means these people King they're not smart understand they're not smart as they think they are because King okay bebe investigator lenza beku lapha ejele King be investigator makamjita ngephandle athambela enda kungela kwendako bahluleka kuba ighost mjita you understand azabanjwe bahluleka kuba ighost King bahluleka King ukumove osebenzisa imali usebe invisible bafuna control Nandipha you understand hlala gaze Nandipha hlala konke lo King lokuthi ayikho Nandipha uthi vete lokho lokuthi nje watiwe ukuthi ngibani lokuvela bro bekufuna yena King abeghost asebenze behind the scenes uphuma ebusuku King yebo uphuma ebusuku enzaweni elithithe ekhaya King maybe le Kenya or somewhere kuphi lahlala khona yena uthi you just not known bro but what choose celeb King you wanted to
but
think, you understand you wanted to live life and be happy and stuff
ngiyo le nto lengisho komlingane ukuthi bo clever basejele la majita ine inombolo nani ahlakaniphile King,
yeah
but ahlakaniphe kuyagcina lokuhlakanipha kwawo.
ahlakaniphe
And me allegedly, and me and you know King ukuthi amajita lawa kude kuncane lokuhlakanipha labanako nangabe kukhona.
hey
Kuncane because na ngogcina banjiwe King wehlulwa yini ukuthi nakaphuma kubaleka King ahamba e-event le kude extradition khona because beka ngayithola i-passport e-Home Affairs eMzansi siyathi ukuthi corrupt.
yeah
He could easily get a passport lapha vele kude man. Ngilingane cabanga kwathi kuyagcina.
mina ngicabanga kwanandipha yena ukuthi kusena nandipha wende tonke letinto letiya King sesebantu emoshari because ngasi 2 3 4 wetidumbu letilandwa tibe wrong letinye tilahle yini lo Cherry unelesibinzi leso ngidokotela dokuhlala esentini eniyakhumbula ngesikhathi siyale esibedlela esentini le sendlula ku practice njena bona kuJesu naye le practice lo girl sendlula King sesibuya le
hayi wena yebo
beka practice la ke nandipha kulapho ucabanga lo girl King uhlala exe bro like for out lesekhathi the thing yile nayo lo mjita King bekanemali engakanani King lo girl ushadile unebantwana unawo konke kuse everything is going okay yini lo mjita nemu hayi bafethu yakena usekuseni nayo ke mina i-documentary bengicamisa style lapho uthi asho
inside the mind of Nandipha
chaze Nandipha lapha ukuthi I was naive, I was I thought I understand, I thought he loved me or he said he had money and stuff kude lo mjita bekumjita ngathi Nandi kuse otherwise
mina angicabanga
until ngibone pheli na the other part yeah otherwise konke lokunye bekwenzeka nje things are new
bokwadi
yeah
mina ngicabanga ukuthi nalokuthi lo Bester ulikhalathi King wasifaka sandla
kanjani ufuna bacancel King
because King kuba this is a fact tabavisa abhlungu manje labamnyama King le ngidakusho but kubantu labamnyama ngeve bathi lo uNkulunkulu waka Israel uNkulunkulu wabo
yebo
but eqinisweni lonke mlingani uNkulunkulu wemfulo omnyama ngomlungu
yeah
uNkulunkuluwana bomfulo omnyama likhalathi
yeah
but the true God uNkulunkulu mbamba King ngomfulo omnyama ngonanga ngomlungu umlo omnyama angasacrifice abantu konke kuze abe thudane nemuntu lo ngomlungu or lo mlungu umkhalathi usikubonile angithi sikubonile we've seen this angani noma ngikhuluma i-mystery King noma into lokwayibona
ngiyayiva le angle lota ngayo ngiva le angle ngayo
kunebantu mlingane kunabosisi bethu labamnyama
yeah
le ngempilo esiphilako ungababuka ukuthi baphumelele uyabona
yeah
kunakuthi wena na ungachamuka udle imoto kuye aneka sakhona kujola nawe but unaso sifiso angabona ubulungu loliphara alapha estradini or likhalas leliphara lapha estradini unaso sifiso ukuthi ish leliphara leli nangalithatha ngitigezele kube ngumlungu wami
I think there is sickness ekuse
akusiyo King uNkulunkulu wakhe ubona uNkulunkulu in the flesh lomuntu ngeva bathi bayamthanda uNkulunkulu waIsrael but loyo King emehlweni lomnyama uNkulunkulu waIsrael mncane kunamlungu ngisho umlungu King lo ordinary ngikhuluma ngabe Rupert mina ukuthi ba extraordinary ngikhuluma nje ngokomlungwana King
it's a fact King
bengitshela wena last week ukuthi kunelibhulu liphethe kule department emajele lilungise umshini wekubhakadingo ejele bantu sebacanthe kufuna libe ngumongameli wase South Africa why
ichekhile lento le ngiba buhlungu King ngiba buhlungu ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso ekuse nayo ngibe ngifisa buhlungu
aneke nisenilithanze King but ingilo
ngifisa ukuthi ngawukhuluma emanga ekuse mara kuliqiniso bro like we've seen it ekuse kuphinzeka nenganingi uyaphi naliphuzu lelo kuze sifike lapho King ukuthi umvulo omhlophe King uNkulunkulu omnyama lisuka apho bani inkulumo lo isithi
ngisho ukuthi King Thabo Bester akasiwe umlungu but ulikhalathi angithi
yeah King but umnyama lo mflo yami mfana mnyama bombuka kahle umfana mnyama lo ya Khalathi
King
King
awubati bosisi bethu wena King
Nandipha ngathi
lokuthi
ukhanya kakhudlwanyana kuna best.
lokuthi lo muntu wakaHlophestini uyabona lokuthi bathini pray lokuthi wakaHlophestini uyabona like uNkulunkulu eduka abantu bamnyama lawo
Lalela King Nandipha bekuyimillionaire. Nandipha bekuyimillionaire. It's a fact ukuthi bekuyimillionaire dog. It was she was a celebrity doctor, you understand? Inzawo bekahlala kuyo before ngifuna ukukhuluma before lo mjito lo wazahlakana naye. Ushade out grand nemali lethe ngidokotela nalo mjito lo yakhe. Yabo dokotela bemu practice bro. Hayi bo dokotela nyana, you understand? Dr. Nandipha King bekudokotela esikhumba. Hayi dokotela nyana bekashaka emamitha vele nema clients kuphupa ma celeb bonke bobantu ulibonile ma celeb abakhuluma lapha. Lo sister lo kanje ma actors in labantu balasha lo mvule mamitha King angajoyina ngamla makafuna, you understand? Yini amende King wayemanga wo 12 to 6
ngilo ngamla lo khansi bekangabatholi phela bongamla King bethu bathanda bosisi bethu labadark into ekucala bekangabatholi labo
I think ngiphathe King lebafuna basiqisele kuyo King about the stories episode bona Nandipha after sebashaya years babo then sebenza documentary sebavuma ukuthi hey vele ngaflopa ngibabhlungu I regret but nyalo King they think they have a chance, especially Nandipha she thinks she has a chance King
chance uyolinda Nandipha mina King la ngisho kona lokho bafana utamangala aneke akusho nyalo Nandipha but nasisamdzala uyokutshela le ngikutshela kona lokho because ngifuna ngithini kuwe King mina nyalo ngithi mina King la ngihlala khona la ngihlala nebelungu uyabona
yeah
mina ngingalithatha liphara lemlungu la nalo ekhaya liphara King uyabona nasifike sehla King sithi eJozi or Mbabane lo gelo cansi muhle wena kunawo bonke already liphara selimsnatchile kuba holy bethu King sithina sinato phakathi kwemkwangwane abantu abana ayika sangikhuluma ngesangwangwane South Africa or whatever sinato kwembu letinto elikhulu but atkhona kufike baholini bethu letikwembu lethu natfika King kufuna tisokolo zifike mina leliphara lengeta nalo namuhla leli ngangena nalo le
facts say mbamba again like kunetindzawo King lengathi khona liphara mbamba King langamla ngihambe nalo King mangifika phela office lo King basivulele kuhlalwe phasi mangahamba nawe King ngothiweni bafana ufuna la asenisuke lana hey but kuthiwa ngichama neliphara lami King langamla King ngiyakutshela King kuvule ivalo lapha kuhlala phasi lapha ngokushaya livalo and the King again ukuthi the thing is psychological line likhuluma ngitechnology psychologically they cursed us. I used to wonder my people themselves, but then I saw the way they protect us to everyone else. They cursed us. They
cursed us to only see the worst in ourselves. Trying to the fact.
I used to wonder. What's in? I
used to wonder. Because
Ngamla King ungena office King chakateli manager
awudelezi ngingole ngisho ukuthi mina bongamla basifaka kakhulu span kithi thine kusukuma umnomzana ekhaya lakhe King afuna kuhlalisa umfana lomncane longamla basifaka span bongamla kithi King nalendlela apartheid bay set up ngayo abantu labanengi King nababuka emakhalathi babona angetulu kunathi nababuka bongamla babona angetulu kunathi mina nginenhlanhla mina ngane ukuthi ngisibona sonke silingana but the work I had to do King ufika kulesigaba leso ukuthi bonke abantu ngibabone balingane emehlweni ami mkhulu kakhulu umsebenzi loyo
ayisho manje ema King lento uthi nayo unekuhleka ikhohlwa yabona phinza buyizo because King kufanele religion ifakwe ngcinhli kuwe, you understand? Kuletindzawo King la kufuna ulwa nayo khona you understand, because it's a constant war bro. Ayishilula lento yabona, because mangikhuluma ngento ya 500 years King lefaka kuwe ku-DNA yakho ukuthi nebantu abaqala ngemuva lento iqhamuka nengadi yakho mfethu, and nawe ukhanza into le njalo very mentally ulimele King. Ngisho ukuthi nawe King uthi mawuhamba sometimes eNew York ubele phezulu hey phela ngimi la
phela kufuna kufuna ukuthi but that's why ngikutshela mina ningane ukuthi uyabona uNkulunkulu umuntu omnyama ngumlungu bangangiphikisa nomnyama ngaloko because ngiyathi abantu ba-emotional abafuni ukuvuma liqiniso but mina ngikushaya liqiniso King leli elingilo kwaze kwasho lenye i-OG ithi nayikhula natural time layo yathi uyakena ukuthi i-ice yebelungu ibanza kakhulu kune-ice yabantu labamnyama engqondweni yemntu lomnyama King ngingapakisha i-ice mina yebo i-ice King ngiyipakisha ngiyibekela acele kwestradi ngithi 2 rand i-ice angathi bangibalini mina ngagcina ngiyithengisa i-5 bob ngithi 2 rand i-ice mina uyabona ngalacela kwemgwaco afike Mr McFadden King
facts
athengele ice yami lengithengisa nga 1 rand la ayicuphe yonke ngihambe ekhaya kanzelenya ngithi abe ngalecela kwemgwaco athi 10 rand i-ice asoxogelele King ukuthi abantu bayithenga ngakule ice ube fake le assessment yakho bangimafadini uyithengela kimi McFadden but somehow iyabanza King naseseyingale kumafadini le ice
the mind is mang around McFadden yabona ingcono kunani
like ngimkhudlwana
mina ngisibuka McFadden yabona bantu ngishila nabo hey bengina McFadden nto ubunile kuMcFadden ngifika ngathenga le ice yakho lapho stop that's why mina esikhathini esiningi King masina kanjalo ngivamise I remove myself in situations like that ngibona especially yabona ngibekisele nje ekasi kuthiwe ngifike ngamla ekasi in mashop sonke amagenge ami ngathi remove lama situations lapho unless mangabe ude kimi yabona uthi ude kusling sidile live like there's no way bro ude kuwe sling hayi kuthi nangangami nasebheni khavani lomlungu wena ufuna nekasi bro
ublasphemous awufuni ukukhothama uNkulunkulu wakho wena King
bro ngine pride noma nje ne pride ngiyatshela sling sinetshela
but if ngifuna siyibukete lento le King
it's work bro it's work that I'm putting on myself you understand with success link dog like see yourself the way you want to see yourself yabona and the way ufuna wonke umva kubone ngayo you understand
and ufuna ukuphatha kanjalo
ngicabanga King uthi maybe sengise Netherlands ukuthi ngabe ngingaphila njani bro because it's a fact ukuthi leli dorobhanyana lenkulu elincane lapha eNetherlands King ngimngebho lomnyama shothi mawuphuma King esitolo ukugucuza
anu wahlala khona King
the truth bro lapho kungaba lukhuni kuse King ukuthi bona ufana nabo
no kulukhulu but ke ngifuna ukukutshela mlingani ukuthi ngiyabekisa ukuthi na uhlala eNetherlands so hard ukuthi bongamla King nabo bayaya eMthoyi bafike bagage angithi ngibekisa ukuthi public toilet uthi nakaphuma ngene wena ukhanza kuyanuka ngithi nakagaga nayo kuyanuka uyathina nayo njengawe kulo kwehlukile phela King bantu bebafana bebamnyama bonke abantu until some 3,500 years ago la kubese kuba nale mutation le yende kwase kwaba nebelungu nanani uyabona yini le mutation
utosha
lekuthi bayakaka bongamla
ukuthi abantu besimnyama sonke iblasphemy leyo
iqiniso King isho basho njalo bo science bathi bonke sisuke eAfrica
do you know the good thing about science King ukuthi science comes with the proof that's the good thing about science kude mina ngichaza njenge science King ukuthi i-proof and now proof wedwa ikona lakho King nami ngayiprove ngedwa la sifike sobabili sithi hawu ngathi mangifaka lokho kwenteka so asho ukuthi kuliqiniso
engiphindele kunye kungichazako ngescience King ukuthi ka science siyakhona ukuthi ngiyabekisa ukuthi nangabe information lesinayo until this point isiholela ukuthi hayi impilo kanje into kanje yabona siyakhona ke science ukuthi if sekuvela le information lephikisa lento lesiyikholwako sishiye lento lesiyikholwako ukuthi ayisa line up nale information lenye lesisinayo siyakhona kukwendela kwa science
or maybe sesinema tools lamasha kuyibona lento ngalenye indlela ukuthi besiyibona thina maybe ku 1D lento sesikhona kuyibona nyalo ku 5D ngale instruments lamasha lesibakhe isayivula ukuthi no isel phinzini emaphasela so inemanangizala so isel yabona over the years lokho se improve but it's still a truth sonke nje besibuka besiyibona thina maybe with half an eye nyalo sesikhona kuyibona with both eyes, and you understand.
Then siyakhona ku-improve king upon that information. Uyabona. That's one of the things I love about science ukuthi siyakhona ku-improve asikabambeleli king ukuthi kwathiwa
king mina kwathiwa nyalo king ekuse ngikuthi vele yabona once sakhuluma ngale tinto leti especially faka inkolo so king ti tingasimikisa kuma-rabbit hole lesingafundi nje kuya kuwo ngibona umnotho wasemelika ngathi soyabuya
usenkingeni king umnotho wasemelika usenkingeni kakhulu
but namhla ukhombisa ama-sign king ukuthi ngazuthi yini le limatela umnotho
leti market uthi leti market tiyabuya king
ikhombisa ukuthi umnotho king sodziniwe lokuwa
uyati king ukuthi le market tasemelika I think angathi sengisikhumbula statistics but less than 10% wabantu balamelika ba owner wonke lo mnotho lo so it's not representative of le livelihood yabantu lokwendeka konyalo emelika sinenkinga yokuthi imisebenzi yalahleka abantu abakhona ukuthola imisebenzi kunetinto letiphazamisekile so uyandengandenga lo mnotho timakethe king dinto tabo Elon Musk nabo Gates nabo Buffett nabo banibani day to day bantu labanengi aba interact net market abati lutho nget market but
emamelika lamaningi yini king la nangizana what does a normal American do malivuka ekseni go to work
liyavuka king lemsebentini liye McDonald's lithenga ukudla lemsebentini lisebenze libuye endlini lihlale
ne
or relax nemani ngani bawo
but it's not the representation esinayo thina king thina abantu abangala eAfrica ngemelika ke emelika king imolubuka king kumabona ukuthi ucabanga umflo lo blind right blind leti
kune
it is smart blind
and it's not like king emelika kunebantu laba exceptional
like everywhere bro kunebantu laba exceptional
but hayi njengamamelika king mamelika kunebantu kunamamelika king la exceptional ebusinessini kumamelika la exceptional escience kunamamelika la exceptional ngeacting kunamamelika la exceptional ngemusic the image lesinayo thine
imamelika king lento abe exceptional ngaleyo ndlela leyo king ngile market la kuyo king those people king imarket yabo they're good with marketing their things and they've got money to even push themselves and it's not like bantu abahlukile bantu abangekho emhlabeni basemelika kuphela bantu labaso you understand
yes and no ngithi yes ngekuthi wona king uma umuntu lo exceptional ngiyabekisa ukuthi nangabe musician lo exceptional yabona or u scientist la exceptional or whatever imelika yakuphocha uthi utohlala la
sikhani sokhuluma nami nyalo
from wherever you are
ngeke liphuzu lelo nyalo ukuthi most of ma scientists lokhuluma ngawo king athathwa bo Germany ayemelika there are guys from guys from England they come to me like America king ithethe the cream yalamhlabeni yahlangana lapha eNew York nabo LA
umthetho sekelo
ukhuluma ngeacting king
umthetho sekelo
wakhuluma ngemali king ukhuluma ngabo Wall Street netilwane king ku Germany kuphi kile lapha kuma pits wakhiwa le mali king umnotho wasemelika nomjida vele ulimelika
ulimelika bamnika imvubo lo mjida lo exceptional bamthatha bamlethe la that's a
njalo king yena ukuthi nama Africa mangena njalo king sibe ne city yethu nje la silenza khona lonke iAfrica exceptional ihlangana lapha king senda khona tinto king lekhamba khona umnotho wethu because king sinama Africa la exceptional heavy
awumangali sonke agcwelela Melika.
Yeah, that's the thing, bro. That's the thing.
Bayawathatha phela King, bayawathatha kunabodokotela la labablind King bakubona Nigeria bakuphi kuphi bala babalanza betela lo muntu la kasekhe Nigeria. So that's A King language. B nangabe iMelika itshengisa umhlaba ngeMelika.
Yeah.
iMelika intshengisa the exceptional abantshengisa King lesidudla lesi Spane Femini uyabona lesidle McDonald's lesihluphekela kahle singakhona ukubhadala irent. That's not who they show you emafilmini.
We're happy with this internet age King because sesakhona kubabona kwa YouTube sebakhona kutendela ama video basitshele ngeMelika ukuthi kwendekani. King mina King sekuyafanana nokuthi nginawe lapho information because makuthuthula Charlie Cake mina sengiyathi nami like immediately kwenteke video like we're now interconnected ngale like we know now especially if you want to know ukuthi oh damn so deep ngaloko like there's so much information now.
That's why mina ngiyapredicta King ukuthi maybe over the next 10 or 15 years le image yebelungu esibonkulunkulu it will diminish because of the internet.
Iqalile kancane ya diminish.
It will diminish.
Mina King mina ma JW King ngidlela information yayo ivela ngayo ayaphela bro.
Ngempela so ke ngako King Rockjets eMelika kunebantu laba exceptional King eMelika akusiyumdlalo and labantu labo mina nje I know at least 5 or 6 of Oppenheimer mo
lo creator inuclear
udalela America but the last name Oppenheimer saseGermany shothi maybe battle bakhe or whatever
ngathi aqhamuke eGermany
battle bakhe or whatever baqhamuke eGermany iGermany phela benema scientists King la serious bo Haber bo Einstein bo ngifuna ukuthi khona kwesilwane King kwetibalo kwa Gauss Carl ngathi beka waseGerman Carl Gauss kwesilwane King kufuna episode yakhe yethu lobujida banenge King labo science labanenge labaqhamuke eGerman but baphethelela America bonke ekugcineni kwakhona baphethelela America America iyabathatha labantu
there was a smart move for America King.
No, i-operate kanjalo they have a visa King for exceptional people nangabe nje uplanning ngebusiness kune visa King lokho applyela uthi to operator lana
that's why
akfa nale constitution yayo King le constitution eMelika vele utangifaka deep King
King lesele isikhathi esincane
King ngangangena deep
ngakho bengihambe emoyeni nje
but nje lengakusho ukuthi decaba lengakusho ukuthi umthethosisekelo wathi King udesigned for ukuthi abantu baphumelele uyabona
King that's the thing bro that's the thing
udesigned for lo umthethosisekelo wabo King but nje
wonke umuntu akadla begrand
wonke umuntu akadla begrand King if ufuna kuvuka namuhla udecide ukuthi ufuna kuyosebenza iMelika yende sinqumo sekuthi aneke uhulumende endleleni yakho yekuthi ufuna kusebenza wena if nje uvuka namuhla uthi ngifuna uqala ibusiness yekuthi ngidesign into le kanjena noma ukuthi ngibene lehotela aneke uthole uhulumende King endleleni yakho akuvimbela ukuthi lentoleto ungatendi which is what happens eAfrica yonke kuna hulumende la ndleleni nawuthi ufuna kwena something kuna hulumende la ndleleni umelene nawe eMelika le follow abuse uyithole King.
That's the thing about Africa King hulumende King against labantu uyayibukele lena ngiyamkhonazi so busy labantu uyakhuluma lapha namhlanje bachubeka
akakhulume Mkhonazi the inquiry ngiyifuna King kunengila expose King Mkhonazi ebe Ramaphosa ungumuntu shem bekufuna athathe advantage ngalento
umvile Ramaram uthini uthena Ramaphosa King
uthini
ANC ukuthi sifunze kwe-DA because onke ema-municipalities la functional la South Africa bekuyi-DA beyiwaphethe asifunzeni khona ku-DA esikopen khona ukuthi DA yona
unemanga
usho
unemanga King ngiyayiva le sentiment yakhe unemanga uma sithe ama municipalities lasebentako King eDA ngesengibekise ngeCape Town siyayibala in lama flats noma siya selecta ukuthi
Stellenbosch nenangizana netown eCape Town natoko timvula bekusengathi
lama flats uwabekala ama flats ngoba phela nawo under iDA
uyihypocrite lomjide kuse
ihypocrite
lomjide kuse and in other ways King wekena ukuthi uyinangizanile iDA uyicampaignele iDA free uyinike free airtime bro like I think ANC iacceptile King ngale statement sa Rama ukuthi we failed as the ANC. Do not take us back in because bantu King ebasayivotele ANC again after
aneke but
njalo amakhansela King ANC ngaliwa mfethu ukuthi kusele out ikhuluma njani into njengale into njengale King
no but
sikhuluma ekhaya endlini ukuthi madoda nabona ukuthi bashala abantu labo hayi man madoda yabona bekufuna yena maybe barebuke ngale wasebenzisa yena
bekufuna
national platform
bekufuna tikhulunywe King lento leti 20 years ago kwaqala kwesibili it's not an honest assessment ukuthi ama municipalities eDA ayasebenta King ama municipalities alakuhlala abantu labanemali khona ayasebenta which is Cape Town Stellenbosch Kusipana Cape Flats King iyayimangalela iDA ama Cape Flats ayimangalela iDA boKhayelitsha
lamalokishi lawa King it's very very dangerous bro because mangabe
it's very dangerous so nekuthi
neSoweto King ngikhetha any day anytime umtshela ukuthi ngihambe ngohlele eKhayelitsha noma eSoweto ngikhetha iSoweto any day anytime bro
aneke King ngiyindi le party lephethe iSandton le municipalities le phethe iSandton Neke King sibuka iSandton sithi hawu yabo municipalities la phethwe ANC yasebenza asibuka King yonke angingathi King nangabe namuhla ngitenele plastic ngiyohlola umfanami ngi-absent father King umnyaka wonke ngakhisimusa ngitenele plastic lenecatfulo nema chips ngihlola umfanami bese uthi hey uyambona ke lo is a good father ngi-assess King fully
uthi kuselo
it's dishonest to say
over time ma percentage langaka we understand it's dishonest ufuyile lamajita King but because in cupcake you cannot see I pay for a day la khona sekube nema leaders King eAfrica King la honorable man athi uyekela amajita wafa ukuthi athi i-leader le uyibuka nje King
iqotho
iqotho King kwasho wena King namsinga waswele emadvodza ubona indvodza nami ngiyakhumbula ngisakhula King
ubona
ngafuqula King bekunemadvodza lelenye ingwenya King ingwenye bebophela inkomo tamkhulu King iyashona bathi ngibanje igama layo engwenyele bekundvodza lababelo ya King bekafika lapha ekhaya King akhiphe inkomo sibayeni kuseni siyaphumula bese bafanyana kusene clip bo clip King lobukudrosa inkomo
ngiyasibona slip
manje maybe lashe inkuni la ngemva kuso or inini lengwenyele ya King bekuyindvodza yabona umuntu bomuva lamtimbeni unayo yakena ne-time
uthi indvodza lena ugcineni
uvulela lo mlomo ukutshela into letsithe lekufuna uyende and into le straight yebo besha swebu mayite besiva ngeswebu yebo uthi na ingwenye yeta ngokuba indvodza kuthi indvodza man
ugcina nini ke King kubona lenye indvodza kuseyathi I think senginabo okay khona amadvodza lengo a few lengwatiko but like I think it's over about 6 years ngase ngadibana indvodza for over about 6 years ngiyafisa ngilento ngisho yabo baba King labantu abaduna labanye bacansi lo sebanemali sebamadvodza uyabona sebahamba ngeimoto ezinkulu sebamadvodza sebakhundleni sebabahlonishwa ucansi so indvodza
abanye King bashaya ama pipe celeni kwethu kuse bafuna kumadvodza ngengani
ne kuba indvodza ngengani King I think kuba indvodza kufanele kufuna uyothwasa somewhere uyabona uthwasele kuba indvodza uthwasiswa ngilenye indvodza
uyivala kaso King ekuse umbonile Dame Dash King na Charlemagne Breakfast Club
ibonile eDame Dash uvisana buhlungu ekuse
ufuna kuba indvodza ngengani what's up with this man bro Dame Dash really wants to be a man ngengani akakhoni yini
and is insecure
ishashwa yini ekuse ego une-ego Temteshi.
I-ego King.
Why
Ube waba nemali.
Why Temteshi King angavumi ukuthi Charlemagne bafana into ebhetha again usho mbamba liqiniso. Temteshi lapho uthi yena so i-manager yaka what's this company?
Yaka Revolt.
Hey. Lento bayiprove same day. Like same day kusibhanga unomanga lo
Ayikho. Ayikho. Kufuna asimgibele kusasa Temteshi King.
No, besivala vele ukuthi King kule point engiyenza ukuthi
uthi episode Temteshi King.
Yeah.
Ukaba nemali Temteshi King and abantu abaningi bekwamhlonipha ukuthi unemali.
Yeah.
And I think he accidentally had money. Bekethe le planning wakhe imali ngina. So ubambelele kuloko. Usho Charlemagne ukuthi wena I think uhlushwa ukuthi wakoba nemali and awufuni abantu bathi ukuthi awusenamali.
Umbali lapho uzayo netindlu unayo ngaselwandle unayo indlu enjani njani. I bet my house is bigger than yours. Uyabona ngumfana lona usemtimbeni wemplomzala. Abalike
Ukhombisha ama toys angithi.
We're close to 20 subscribers. Sawakhumbula lama moments laba King, they are very humbling moments. It's 19 subscribers. We need to remember this episode.
Nyalo real nyalo.
So maybe masina 1000 King subscribers King maybe to bechinjile or maybe siyobe seswah sesikhuluma or maybe sebasibhayile King sona kwesponsor lokusipushayo sesikhuluma into
siyobe fake King yabona lapho siyobe fake sebasicontrola basitshela ukuthi sikhulumene singakhulumi ini. I hate myself then again ngitithanza nyalo ngiyatinyanya because ngoba sengifake King again so 1000 ama subscriber so fake so cabanga ukuthi so fake awusakhona kuba real yabona nyalo King nyalo real nyalo. Let us enjoy this moment because nala bantu bayagcina kuva real kanjena abantu sitoba fake ngiyakutshela mina King
realness King itawukhula ngiyigcine la
ngeke sitoba fake. Believe me, sitoba fake ngiyakutshela.
Hayi siyakhula.